koma kulondi kwathu, this is our own country, kwatikuopa anthu asamaope boma. People should respect government but not fear the government. So ni ntchito ya government kuteteza anthu, ntchito ya government kuti anthu akhale osangala. Monga ananena mu American Declaration of Independence in 1776, ananena kuti three things: responsibility of government, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Kuti pakhale munthu moyo ufulu wanso anthu akhale osangala. It's a job of the government to make sure that people are happy, but they are not suffering. The job of government. Pakali pano akuti paziko lonse lapansi anthu akumawayi number 2 pa anthu amene achisoni komanso omvesa chisoni. That's no good. That must end. Tipulumuse. Ndiye ndikuuza MCP, I wish the TV was working. Kwandikuti, let my people go. Let my people go. Chifukwa ine ndizatenga kupita ku Canaan. Osati kubaga moyo ayi. Koma ku Canaan, I'll take you, I promise you that. I'll take you there. Ndikuziwa, I've been on mountain top. I've been on top of Mlanje Mountain, and I've seen the promised land. I promise you, you and I will get there. Chapter 16. We will get there. But we must work hard. Tikizane manja, Limozi, determined, we'll get there. Tiangane pasogolo, osangana kumbuyo, ngati mkazi wa Loti uja. Mokumbuka, mkazi wa Loti, anana kumbuyo, anasanduka waje. Chulu cha nchere, sanduka nchere, mkana kumbuyo John. Mujana kusogolo, so let's go together. Don't look on the side. Don't be distracted. Just go until we get to Canaan. So go until we go to the polling station there. Asa kunamizana kupasana 50 kwacha and so for the year. Koma kupasana 50 kwacha tengani. Ndane anga kane nama. Paibi. Ngakhe anandipa sana 50 nditenganso. Kama sinabodera hivi. Sinabodera. De tengani. Kama 50,000. Ka 1,000 tengani nditu. Tengani. Kama ndindama zantu. Siza otu. Zantu ndimisonka nimeneo. So, palibe sauti, mzakuri ziko bwana. There is no reason for chwani ndamazana. Now, if you read monga tana manifesto, sinyankwa manifesto, jifuka I think Dora Magalasi alongoswa bwino kwambi zonse. Koma if manifesto atu Timati people-centered. It's built around people. Monga anina Dora Magalasi, which is a decentralized government. Mazwa decentralization. Kuti boma lichoke kulilongwe lipite mizi. Mpamvu ichowe kulongwe ibida emizi. So my village, my district, akaini budget yao. My constituency, akafapa mlato ama mlato and so forth. The budget metabasi. So most of the money will move to kulongwe. They are so forth. Then they're going to grant and the civic design. The Kuzaku Blanta Yaonongelo. Blanta was the industrial commercial capital of this country. Deliberately Yaonongelo. Kuri makampani onse ofunika kama housing, chanchan, zonse zapita kulilongwe. Donjo. I was talking to one of the hotel people who had a business. They've got blunt somebody out and you have fancy. Come on, I promise. The first day at 8 o'clock on the 17th, I issued a decree kubeza ma company manager from blunt. This is the commercial capital of Malawi. Commerce on the Blantyre, the football capital of Malawi. I promise you, in addition to my Sera Mawira Janamba, the United States, in fact, in the Henry Musa, we started negotiations in the Bomarina La Kunja. Could Blantyre could come modern stadium. In addition to come to the stadium, another modern stadium. Chokoro, the football capital of Malawi, Mezo is Aichita. That's so global. Now, kabla mnakuja manifesto hakuna basi magasu ya hakuna mazimeja sakita ya ngada atamiza ntaija ba 2020. I can tell you good ife tikaongeza timachita zimenezo tikaongeza timachita. When about 2014, now in Zaguri, people in Zachuma, Sina Konzi. Nana Kuri Tiba and Nima Komite College Sanabere, Anabra, Nana Kuri Tits and Jala, Sina Tet. Zone said, Nana Kuri Tibesa Forex, Stabes Forex. Pamena Choka in Forex now over $1 billion. US dollars. Yeah, Forex. When I left the government, I don't know, but I left over $1 billion in Forex. So chichon se chimeta ongela tunachita. Antikabranso tipiriza zimenezo. Certainly, kwa Chinyamata, program ya Community Technical College. Deputies are constituency yonse Bakai Community Technical College. Devi oye Komaso kwa Anthu Ku and Oruma Kamabanja Anamasie Dantodwa. Deputies are Mawada Dismant Services. When I left in 2020, Namanga Nyumba 15,000. My aim was within 10 years. Pascal Nyumba ya do tikoyo do ntamuno Malawi and we'll do it. We'll do it at the program. choncho zonse za promise manifesto ya zichitika atero kwake because in the plan I